5 moves, 15 minutes, $0, and your website becomes more readable for AI systems than 90% of your competition. No prior knowledge, no agency, no budget. Timer on. We're working through this list together right now. Why this quarter hour pays off. 45% of consumers now ask AIs for recommendations, but of 350,000 analyzed business locations, ChatGPT recommends just over 1%. The gap between demand and visibility is enormous, and that's exactly what makes it valuable for those who act now. Number 1. Open the door. Your website has a bouncer called robots.txt, a small text file deciding which machines may read your content. Many websites block AI crawlers there without knowing it. Often a plugin or an agency set it up that way years ago. Here's how to check. Type your domain /robots.txt. If you see disallow under an AI name like GPTbot, you are actively locking ChatGPT out. The solution is 4 lines. User agent GPTbot allow /. Same for ClaudeBot and PerplexityBot. Save. Done. The most common trap here. Caching plugins and security tools that block AI crawlers wholesale as bots on top of robots.txt. If you run one of those, check its bot list. The machine that's supposed to recommend you can't be on your blacklist. 2 minutes invested and the foundation is set, because one thing is certain: if the machine isn't allowed to read you, it can't recommend you, no matter how well you execute the rest of this list. Number 2. Give the AI a map. There's a file almost nobody knows, llms.txt, a simple text page in your website's root that tells machines, in short form, who you are, what you offer, and which pages matter. The structure is deliberately primitive. A heading with your company name. 1 sentence on what you do and for whom. Below, a list of your 5 most important pages, each with half a sentence of explanation. That's it. No code, no tech, a text file. Important with llms.txt. Stay honest. This file is not a billboard. It's a table of contents. Stack superlatives in there and you waste the effect. Machines reward clarity, not volume. Write it as soberly as you'd brief a new employee. Why this works. AI systems have a tiny time window per website. Whatever you pre-sort for them, they read first, and what they read first shapes your picture. 5 minutes of work for authority over your own summary. Number 3. Turn your page title into an answer. Your homepage title is the first thing every machine reads. And for most businesses it says, "Welcome to company so-and-so." That's the most wasted real estate on the entire internet. The formula: what you are, where you are, what makes you different, in 1 line. Welcome to Smith Dental becomes dentist in Austin, appointments within 48 hours. That 1 line answers 3 customer questions before the page even loads. Bonus trick for titles. Every subpage gets its own answer title. The services page isn't called services. It's called teeth cleaning in Austin. Cost and process. 10 pages, 10 answers, 10 chances to appear in an AI response. Number 4. Free your facts from the PDF. Menus, price lists, service catalogs. Countless businesses keep exactly the most important stuff in PDF files, or worse, photographed images. Pretty for humans, a grave for machines. The rule is simple. Anything a customer might ask about, prices, hours, services, terms, belongs as real text on a real page. Keep the PDF if you like, but as a bonus, not as the only source. And while you're at it, opening hours, directions, payment methods, the boring basics first. These basics are what customers ask most, and exactly where AIs hallucinate most happily when they find nothing reliable. Boring for you, gold for the machine. Number 5. Write the one sentence the machine can copy. Who you are, for whom, what makes you different. A single sentence prominent on your homepage. Not a slogan, not poetry. A fact sheet in sentence form. An example, family-run auto shop in Austin, specialized in electric and hybrid vehicles with pickup and delivery service. One sentence, 3 facts, 0 fluff. When the AI has to describe you, it takes what's there. Give it the sentence you chose yourself. That was the quarter hour. The math. Door opened, 2 minutes. Map written, 5. Title fixed, 3. Facts freed, 3. The one sentence, 2. That puts you ahead of most of your industry. Not because the others couldn't, but because they don't. One more word on what you deliberately did not do today. No blog launched, no ads bought, no agency hired. All 5 were infrastructure moves. That's exactly why they work so reliably. Infrastructure doesn't fight the algorithm, it feeds it. A word on expectations. These 5 fixes are the foundation, not the finished house. AI systems don't update their picture of you overnight. Think weeks, not hours. But without this foundation, none of the 45 further ways waiting on this channel can carry weight. Bonus move if you have 5 minutes left. Take the 3 questions customers ask you most and answer each in 2 sentences right on the matching page. Question as the headline, answer below. That's the format AIs lift word for word. And if you want to know whether anyone has already checked your door, server logs reveal whether GPTbot and friends come by. No visits doesn't mean no chance. It just means the invitation is still in the mail. After today's 5 fixes, it's sent. Quick reality check before the finish. If you're thinking my web guy handles that, forward this video to your web guy. These 5 fixes take a professional less than an hour, and asking for them by name is exactly how you find out whether your provider understands the AI era at all. And yes, this works for every kind of business: shop, practice, agency, restaurant, trade. The machines don't care about your industry. They care whether they can read you. Just as of today, they can. If you want to know what these 15 minutes achieved, ask the AI about your industry in your city in 4 weeks, and keep measuring monthly. The free visibility check in the description shows where you stand today, and the 50 ways in the playlist fill the rest of the toolbox.